To go into presentation mode in Canva, so I have this document I'm working on. If we go over to this part, you see that this is a YouTube thumbnail document, and I want to go into presentation mode. I want to present this file as a presentation. I'm not working on a presentation document, so I wouldn't be able to see the presentation presenter view here. What I'm going to do is to come over to this sign here. You see what it says. The shortcut is Ctrl-Alt-P. You can just do that on your computer keyboard, and it says present full screen. And if you click on present full screen, you see we've come into the presenter view, so you can navigate your presentation. You see the arrow facing that way by just clicking to find the next page, and if you go here, you see it went to the other page. You can navigate it like so. And also you have your presentation tools at the bottom, so use that and make your presentation. And there are also presentation shortcuts. Maybe I want to do some drum rolls, so let's do D on the keyboard to do. And if we want to do a mic drop, we'll click M on our keyboard, and you see our mic drops. And if we want to give a confetti, we'll click C on our keyboard, and the confetti drops. So you will see the tool at the bottom of your presentation, all of that to use while you enter the presenting full mode if your document is not a presentation document.